What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is John, Backwoods Off-Road and Overlanding. I go ahead and apologize in advance if I lack some of the enthusiasm that I usually have in most of my videos. I've actually caught the China virus bug, whatever you want to call it. So it's been a pretty rough few days here. We got some good meds coming in and getting a lot of rest, and just it sucks, guys, man. It sucks. But anyways, I needed to get some content out here for you guys so the YouTube algorithm gods won't just shut down my freaking channel for going a week without giving you a video. But it's awesome, man. But I got a package in the mail here we're about to go through. Possible new partnership here with a company here I'm looking at. And let's dig into it. Show you what. Okay, guys. Man, hopefully I'm in frame here. Again, I apologize for lack of enthusiasm. Trust me, inside, man, I am excited. I'm tickled to death. I've got a new company here that I'm talking to, looking to partner with, guys. And I'm thinking this is going to be, man, I think this is going to be our tool roll, guys, motorcycle-wise. But we're going to look here and see. We're going to figure out if this is the best tool roll for us. So we're going to get into it. I got two options here we're looking at. Two different bags. Let's get I've got an actual tool roll. And then I've got another nice little bag here. And we're going to focus on the tool roll today, but this one's pretty cool. This is actually brought to you by Roaring Fire, guys. Man, they got some awesome stuff. This is their mini armadillo bag. So stay tuned, man. Please comment down below if you like this, if you think this is going to work for you. Because like I said, I'm looking to partner with these guys. If you guys like it and I like it and it works for what we got, they are overseas, unfortunately. But if you guys like it and dig it, guys, I'd like to become a reseller here, and then I can give you my own discount code. So comment down below what you think of these bags. So we're going to focus on this tool roll. But before I do, they've also got this here. I believe this is called the Ender Pro. It's pretty nifty here. We've got a nice little pocket there in the front, and it expands pretty dang good. I think we could fit a lot of stuff in here. So we've got two nice little pockets here, and we'll dig into this one in another video so we can get all our stuff in here. We've got pockets, we've got little holders for everything. And then we flip over here, we got two little nice mesh pockets, and then a nice mesh zipper on this side. So this is, I think this is gonna be a nice little toolkit as well. So it's just gonna, I think here it's gonna come down to, you know, what you're gonna carry, what kind of luggage you got, yada, yada, yada. So to keep this from being a 30-minute video, we're gonna hold off on this bag. But like I said, man, it's pretty nifty. I think this will make an amazing little tool bag, tool pouch. Footprint's pretty small. There's my hand. Okay, so what we've got here, I've got my Rothko bag here. Oh, I've got foam in this one. Let me check this one out. This one's actually there. This one's mine. This is going on my bike. So this fits in here pretty good, with the exception of this guy here, my pump. So that's got to go to the side. So this fits in here pretty well. So we're gonna see what I've got. I basically have most of the components here. So like I said again, Roaring Fire, man, awesome company, man. Awesome bags here. They got a lifetime warranty on their bags. Nice little cinch buckle straps here. Let's see, it even comes with a nice little carrying strap here. We flip into it. Hopefully you can see here. So we've got mini pouches here, and then we've even got some elastic up here at the top. Very cool. And guys, and what I really like about this bag, this tool roll here, which I couldn't find on anyone. Man, I've been searching and searching and searching. Guys, look, this one has a bag. This one has a bag in it. How flipping cool is that? So without further ado, let's see what we've got in our bag here. And let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get in here, guys.
You gonna get all this out? Could just dunk it, huh? We'll bend everything. All right, let's toss it to the side.
All right, let's see what we got. Let's see if the trail jack fits. Looks like the trail jack is a little bit big for the bag. That's a bummer, but I can modify that. That's no biggie. Let's see, we have got, where's my nice crescent? Here we go. So we've got a crescent wrench. Perfect. We've got our manual tire pump. Very nice. And we've got our hammer / pry bar. We got our mini crescent. Let's see, we've also got our wrenches. Let's see, we're gonna grab our 13, 12, 10, and 8. We don't need the other ones. Just throw these guys in that pocket right there. Let's see, what else do we got? I don't have any vice grips in here. All right, let's just grab a little medium size crescent wrench. And we've got that. Heck, we can even put our wrenches up top right here. That's pretty nifty. Yeah, I dig that. I dig it, I dig it. All right, now we got our zip ties. You know, let's throw our zip ties. Oh, let's take one of those out there, flip it around. Throw our zip ties in there. Yeah, nice. I like it, I like it. All right, guys, so far, man, that's what we got so far, guys. Man, that looks pretty cool. It's pretty sweet. Let's see what else we've got. All right, we've got our multi-tool here. Let's see, where could we fit it? Let's move that around. Let's put our multi-tool there in a bigger pocket. And these are some nice little different sizes here. So that works out pretty good. Let's see here. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm just trying to see what makes sense to put where. Okay, I bet we can put this right there. Let's throw this over on the end because it's nice and small. I like it, I like it. All right, now we got a pocket. Let's see here. Got my little mini ratchet. Let's throw that right there. Got our Allen keys. I'm just gonna throw these in here, like so. Got that. We still got an empty pocket here. We can throw something. All right, so I've got my little mini screwdriver. Let's throw that there. Got a quick steel. We got some cinch straps. Let's get those in there. I got my little dime. Let's see, where can we throw this guy? Let's throw this guy. Let's throw that guy right there. Oh man, I could dump this. We've got our sockets. We've got what, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, and a 14. So we'll just dump those right there. All right, we've got our, I throw that right here. Let's see, what else can we fit in here? We got that there. We got our duct tape. We got our boot, our wire. I'm gonna swap this out for well, I say I am. Hold on here. There we go. So I'm gonna swap this out for a mini roll. Boop. Got a mini roll. Then we've got some shrink wrap. We've got our little fuse puller, and I got some axle tools, little axle socket. So let's say on our 300Ls, if you guys are watching this video, we've got our front axle is a 14 millimeter, so I've got a 14 by 19 millimeter nut here, which I don't have it up here. It's actually up at the house. So, but it's real tiny. We'll toss it in this bag. So yeah. So bam. Let me actually grab the camera and show you what we got here, guys. Get you guys a good shot. Man, look at all this stuff. Like I said, look, we got a bag for all our loosies. Man, and we could probably minimize this. This is a lot of flipping Gorilla Tape, guys. That's a lot of Gorilla Tape. Our cinch straps, we might, those could be, actually put on our bike somehow. And this is a twofer, so I've got my other set. So, like I said before, 2 is 1 and 1 is none, so it's nice to have a backup. And this also has a nice little spoke tool and a couple wrenches that comes in handy. So we have got this pocket here pretty set up with, actually, man, we've even got more. We can even actually fit more stuff in there. So it's not completely full yet. So this is what we've got, guys. We've got our nice big multi-tool. We've got our sockets, extension. We've got a big crescent, small ratchet. We've got zip ties. We've got our 1/4-inch ratchet. We've got a nice cutting tool. We've got our little Gerber dime, vice grips. We got our manual air pump. We've got our hammer / pry bar, beat the heck out of whatever. And then we've got a few more wrenches as well. So, man, that is a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Let me set this back up and see how well it rolls up. Okay, so now that we got everything in here, let's flip it over. And how's it gonna roll up for us? Like so. All right, let's get our strap. Is the strap gonna work? Cinch it. Yeah, that roll of Gorilla Tape is just too much. We're gonna have to wind up wrapping a wrench with that because it just don't want to fit there very nice. You know what? For shits and giggles right now, guys, I'm just gonna pull that out because it is just kind of bulky, pretty bulky for what we're looking at right here. That's much better. Yeah, so we'll take maybe 5, 10, 15 foot. We'll roll up a wrench or something with it, and that'll be about all we need. Or you could just throw it in your luggage or box somewhere else. All right. Man, I think this is nice carry handle, guys. Look, man, I got to go help my buddy down the trail. I don't have to, take my bike, whatever. Man, this is flipping nice, guys. I think this is it. Best tool roll ever for your dirt bike, guys. So now let's see. So basically, this is taking the footprint of this, which that is, man, that's actually a pretty good difference, man. I'm surprised at how nice that freaking came down, guys. And that gives us, a lot more room in here. Wow. Wow, look at that. And this is the Apache 2800 case, guys. Man, like I said, guys, man, comment down below. Let me know what you think of these tool bags, guys, because that is, man, I think this is it, guys. This is a winner right here in my book so far. Wow, I'm impressed. Much more room in here. It really compacts things down. Then we got plenty of room to, look, we can put add that in there. Where is my, we could throw that in there. We can throw that in there. Where's my jump starter? I use it on something else. Man, we can throw wipes in there. Let's see, we can put our first aid kit in there. Look, we can put some more duct tape. And let's throw some more wrenches in there. Let's throw a bag of zip ties. Let's throw some more wire in there. Yeah, put some more black tape. Boom. Good Lord, guys. Man, that is insane. Man, look at everything we just threw in here. 2 first aid kits, shower wipes, whole bunch of extra wrenches, first aid kit. I should be wearing this so you guys don't get the Rona from me. This is my nice neck gaiter I got from old My Medic. Man, our big old roll of Gorilla Tape. This is our inflator. And guys, man. I think this is where it's at, guys. Man, that's about all the energy I got for this video. So, man, be sure comment down below, man. Go check out their website, Roaring Fire Gear. Go check it out, guys. Like I said, they're overseas. I don't have a discount code right now for these, but I am looking to become a reseller here in the States, partner up with these guys. So they got a few colors. They got some bigger bags. So go check them out. I'll put a link to their website below. Go check it out. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Send me a message. Hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Let me know, guys. And if there's any interest in these tool rolls, guys, I will do this for you guys. I'll become a reseller here in the States, and I mean just look at it. I mean, just look at it. Look at all that shit, and we've got room for more. Man, we've got room for more. I'm tickled to death. This is great. This is great. I love it. Roll it back up. And did I say they're guaranteed for life? I mean, there's some exceptions, you know, to lifetime warranties and whatnot, but yeah, guys, that is it. That is it. Man. I don't look. Hell yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, man, comment down below. Let me know if you like this shit. I'll bring it to you guys. Backwoods working hard for you. Thanks for watching.